everyone. In this video we will start our new chapter number 2, which is polynomials, and previously Mamta ma'am has taught you chapter number 1, which is number systems. Okay, so in this chapter we'll study what is polynomial and what are the zeros of the polynomials, how many types of polynomials we have, and how to find the value of polynomial at a given value of variable, remainder theorem, factor theorem, division of a polynomials, factorization of a polynomials, and algebraic identities. Okay, so in this video we will only learn about very basics of the polynomials, okay, which is definition and its classification and degree of the polynomial. Okay, up to degree of the polynomial we will study in this video. So let us understand what are polynomials. First of all, any algebraic expression that has only whole numbers as exponent or power. Okay, power means a to the power 2, a square. Okay, a square means power of a is 2. Okay, this is the power. So any algebraic expression that has only whole numbers as exponent of variable is called polynomial. Okay, polynomial can be defined or it can be understood by the algebraic expression which has whole numbers as its power. Okay, for example, 2x square minus 3y plus 4. See, this is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, we will discuss about this later. First of all, understand what are polynomials. Okay, 2x square minus 3y plus 4 is an algebraic expression. Okay, and here variable is x and y. In this algebraic expression, variables are x and y. And now see here, power of variable is 2, which is whole number, and here in this term power of variable is 1. Okay, which is also whole number, and here we have no variable. Okay, so we can assume it as power of variable is 0. Okay, so in this algebraic expression, powers of variable are 2, 1 and 0, which are whole numbers. So this is an this is a polynomial. Okay, and second one also, we have here power of variable is 4, and in second term power of variable is 1, and here we can assume power of variable 0. Okay, so this expression is also a polynomial. Sorry for this, I have little cough problem, so I am unable to speak properly. See, what are algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by some or all the operators. Operators means plus, minus, multiply and division. Okay, a combination of constants and variable, okay, which are separated by this operators plus, minus, multiply and division is called algebraic expression. Okay, see, these two are algebraic expressions. Why? Because these are separate. Here terms, see, this x is variable but 2 is constant, and here y is variable and 3 is constant, and this is the separate term plus 4. Okay, so here variables and constants are separated by operators minus and plus. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression. Next, let us understand what are terms. The various parts of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus or multiply or division, these operators are called terms of the algebraic expression. To understand the terms, see, this is an algebraic expression. Okay, this is an algebraic expression. 2x square is a term, 3y is a term, and plus 4 is a term. Okay, 2x square and minus 3y and plus 4 are separated by these operators minus and plus. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression which has 3 terms, and here also this is an algebraic expression which has 3 terms, and it satisfies the condition of polynomial also. Okay, so we can say in algebraic expression we have terms, and these terms are made up of constants and variables. Okay, see, for example, to understand the terms, x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus x square plus 2x. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay, in this algebraic expressions we have 4 terms. First term is x to the power 4, second term is minus 5x cube, third term is plus x square, fourth term is plus 2x. Okay, so after all this we can easily understand what are terms, what are algebraic expression, and what are polynomials. Okay, now part of terms constant and variable which makes algebraic expression, then polynomials. Okay, terms, see this constants and variables makes terms, then this terms all together makes algebraic expression, and then algebraic expression, if it satisfies the condition of a polynomial, then we call it a polynomial. Now see, what are constant? A term or a quantity whose value remains the same throughout. Okay, like in this expression 2x plus 4, here 4 is the constant term. Okay, 4, because 4 we cannot change it, 4 is not changeable. Okay, it will remain the same. And here x value of x is unknown, so the term 2x is variable term and term 4 is constant term. Okay, now what is variable? Unknown values which can vary or change. For example, here x is the unknown, so x is variable. Value of x we don't know na. Here value of x is not known, so x is variable. Okay, now let us take some examples of variables. 5y minus y cube plus 3, here y is the variable. Okay, see, y is the variable, so 5y minus y cube are the variable terms and 3 is the constant term. Okay, now let us understand what are coefficients of the variable. See, a numerical or constant value placed before and multiplying the variable. In this expression we have 3 terms. First variable term is 5y and second variable term is minus y cube. Okay, so here for this first term coefficient of y is plus 5, and for second term coefficient of y cube is minus 1. Okay, so coefficients and variables and constants all together makes an algebraic expression, and this algebraic expression, if it follows a certain condition, it satisfies a certain condition, then it is called as a polynomial. When an algebraic expression is a polynomial, if power of the variables are whole numbers, it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If power of variables are negative or fractional, then algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Okay, algebraic expression is polynomial if and only if its power are whole number. Okay, now let us understand types of the polynomial. Types of the polynomial on the basis of terms. How many terms a polynomial is having? On basis of that we will understand types of the polynomial. See, first type is constant term. Okay, first is constant polynomial, not term, constant polynomial. A polynomial having only one term consisting of a constant number is constant polynomial. For example, any constant number is a constant polynomial because we can multiply, here we can multiply 6 with x to the power 0. See, variable to the power 0 or any number or any constant to the power 0 is equals to 1. This is the law of exponent. Okay, law of exponent. Suppose we have 1 to the power 0, we have 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 0 will be equal to 1. If a is any constant number or variable and it has power 0, then it will be equal to 1. This we have studied in class 7th also. Okay, laws of exponent. Now see, 6x to the power 0, we have constant number 6 and 6 multiply 1. Multiply 1 means x to the power 0 or y to the power 0. Then here power of the variable is 0. Okay, so this is a constant polynomial. Okay, constant polynomial, in constant polynomial power of variable is 0. Now zero polynomial. What are zero polynomial? A polynomial consisting only one term, that is 0, namely 0. 0 or 0 into x to the power 0 is a zero polynomial. Okay, now third type of polynomial is monomial. Polynomial on the basis of terms. First, third type of polynomial is monomial. Mono means single. Okay, monomials. Polynomial having only one term is called monomials, like 3x to the power 5 minus 11z square and minus 2y cube. Okay, if a polynomial is having only one term, then it is a monomial. It is termed as monomial. Now binomial. Polynomial having only two terms are called binomials. Bi means two. Nomials means terms. Okay, a polynomial which is having only two terms is called binomial. For example, 7x square plus 2x. In this polynomial we have two terms. Y to the power 30 plus 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is a constant term. Here we have two terms, so it is binomial. 5x square y plus 2. Here also we have two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term, which is constant. Okay. Now third is trinomial. This polynomial have only three terms. Okay, tri means three, nomials means term. A polynomial which will have three terms, it is called trinomials. And after this, a polynomial can have 4, 5, 6, 7 and n number of terms. Okay, so these were the classification of or types of polynomial on the basis of terms. Now let us understand the next thing about polynomial, which is degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable in a polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, if we have a polynomial, see for example this is the polynomial. Okay, and highest power of the variable. In this polynomial we have three terms. First term is x to the power 4, second term is x to the power 3 and third term is constant, which is root 2. Okay, in this polynomial we have three terms and highest power or highest exponent of the variable, x is the variable, highest power of the variable is 4. Okay, so for this polynomial 4 is the degree. Okay, and as definition says, highest power of the variable in a polynomial is the degree of a polynomial. Okay, now see how to find degree of a polynomial if we have a polynomial in one variable and if polynomial has two or more than two variables. Okay, for example, see this polynomial we have root 2 minus y cube plus y to the power 5 plus 2y to the power 6. This is the polynomial which is having 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay, and in this polynomial variable is y. Okay, this polynomial has variable y, and out of this 4 terms, this term has highest power of the variable, 2y to the power 6. Y to the power 6 is the highest power. So it is a polynomial in variable y and its degree is 6 because 6 is the highest power. Okay, now see next one. If we have a polynomial in two variable or more, if we have polynomial with more than 2 or 2 variable, then how to find its degree? See for example 3x cube minus 7x square y square plus 8. Here also we have three terms. First term is 3x cube, second term is minus 7x square y square and third term is plus 8. Okay, see in first term power of variable is 3. In second term we have two variables x and y, and power of x is 2 and power of y is 2, and xy are in multiplication, so their power will be added. So here variables are xy, in second term variables are xy and power of this variable will be 4. Okay, so it is a polynomial in variable x and y, and highest power of the okay, so degree of this polynomial will be 4 because x and y are the variables in second term and they are in multiplication, so their power will be added. Okay, so after adding 4 will be the highest power, so degree of this polynomial is 4. Okay, now next topic is classification of polynomials on the basis of power or on the basis of exponent or degree, whatever you say. Linear polynomial, a polynomial of degree 1 will be called as linear polynomial. If in a polynomial variable has highest power 1, then it is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, if a polynomial we have of degree 2, okay, then it will be called as quadratic polynomial. Means if highest power of the polynomial is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, see, x square plus 9x minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial because here highest power of x is 2. Cubic polynomial, a polynomial of degree 3 is cubic polynomial. Okay, for example, 9x cube plus 2x square minus 3x minus 4 is a cubic polynomial in x. Okay, and highest power of x in this polynomial is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. And standard form of cubic polynomial is, if we have a polynomial in variable x, so it will be given by, its standard form will be given by ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where variable is x and a, b, c, d are the real numbers, means some constant numbers, and a must not be equal to 0, because if a is equals to 0, then this term will be 0. Okay, and for cubic polynomial we must have power of the variable 3. Now fourth type of polynomial is biquadratic polynomial, and it is defined as a polynomial which has degree 4. Okay, so if we have a polynomial of degree 4, then it will be biquadratic polynomial. For example, 6y to the power 4 minus 2y square minus 5. Here highest power of variable is 4. Okay, so it is biquadratic polynomial. Okay, so in next video we will solve some question of exercise 2.1, because it is very basic of the chapter. Okay, and after solving 2.1 we will move to 2.2. Thank you.